So I'm here today at the Rocklin Rocket in Rocklin, California. Dave Houston's HO scale model railroad. You can see it's a big layout in the basement, and he's got a lot of Southern Pacific trains running in the 1950s era. We're going to have a lot of fun today. Today we will follow the Southern Pacific doubleheader reefer train, pulling the mountain grades, delivering fruit from the valley to eastern locations as it meets a westbound cab forward up in the high Sierra.
This one. That's what I read back there.
I'm slowing down. Okay, here comes the uphill freight, fruit. Fruity, fresh and
So you want me to cut off on the fly here?
No, I don't think we should do that. Could be cool, but
41, 46
that's
pretty good. That line, yeah, like that.
I just have to pull out that middle block where this is set. It isn't really shut.
The other thing we can do
Just go downhill light.
I'm
going to call somebody and let them know though, right?
And we're meeting the downhill fruit.
Are we just holding the main over now?
Yeah, until we get to our place.
Whistle on that thing?
Going uphill, 50, 32.
The down fruit going through our terrain. Slowing down.